Please welcome Ola Kalenius, member of the Board of Management of Daimler AG, responsible for group research and Mercedes-Benz cars development.
Ladies and gentlemen, when we introduced the forerunner of our C-Class back in 1982, people called it the baby Benz, but it has long since come of age. Over the past 36 years, we have sold over 9.5 million C-Class sedans and estates worldwide. Last year, nearly every fifth Mercedes was a C-Class. In other words, our baby Benz has become a global superstar. And we're now giving it even more star power. The new C-Class is available with most of the comfort attributes of the S-Class, all of its intelligent drive features, including its automated driving functions, and even more driving fun. For example, we increased the performance of our AMG C43 4MATIC from 367 to 390 horsepower. Now, speaking of great engines, people used to say there is no substitute for cubic inches, but of course there is. At Mercedes, we believe there is no substitute for technology. Our EQ power plug-in hybrids clearly show this. We've already reached very convincing results in our new S560e, and we plan to introduce an all-new drivetrain variant for the C and E-Class, our very first diesel plug-in hybrid. We believe plug-in hybrids are more than a bridging technology. They are an intricate interaction of mechanical and electrical components that you will hardly find anywhere else. We recently invested over 3 billion euros to bring our diesel engines to perfection. And we are gaining traction in drivetrain electrification. And as well, connectivity helps us to fully capitalize on these opportunities. Our EQ power plug-in hybrids prove with great technology, you don't have to choose. You can get sustainability and practicability and driving performance in the best available package today. For our new diesel hybrid, we will use the cleanest and most efficient four-cylinder diesel engine that we have ever built. We combine this with our new 90 kilowatt electric motor and an increased battery capacity of 13.5 kilowatt hours. Plus, our intelligent operating strategy uses navigation data and our assistance systems to maximize the electric range of the car. The result, a fantastic combination of efficiency and fun. We achieve a very efficient hybrid mode or an electric range of up to 50 kilometers. And the engine reaches a maximum torque of no less than 700 Newton meters at 1400 RPM. Ladies and gentlemen, that takes us right into performance car territory. And it shows, with the right technology, the diesel has a future. Improving it is better than banning it. Here's how we plan to do this at Mercedes-Benz. Our modular Mercedes engine portfolio. It is based on our high-tech 4- and 6-cylinder diesel and gasoline engines, designed for systematic electrification from the start, so we can create a perfect electrified solution for every application. This toolbox helps propel us into the future. We will have more than 50 electrified vehicle variants by 2022, and at the same time, we are investing 10 billion euros into our fully battery electric models. In doing so, I can promise we intend to continue on the direction that you see here. With that, I'd like to hand over to Dieter Zetsche. Dieter, I believe the car that you will talk about now will take us a long way towards the fun end of this graph. Right? Dieter,
Absolutely.
the stage is yours.